health emergency for the world. People are also afraid of going to the public place and shaking hands with each other. And that is why many kinds of confusion about this disease are also in the mind of people. We are telling you about similar myths and their reality related to coronavirus. The highly dangerous and deadly coronavirus, which started from the city of Wuhan in China, has spread all over the world so far and has infected millions of people and killed a large number of people. The World Health Organization (WHO) has declared the coronavirus an international health emergency. Millions of people around the world are being kept under observation due to being infected with this virus, and scientists are currently trying to find a cure for this disease and virus. Because of this, many misconceptions about this virus are also spreading rapidly in our society. The number of these misconceptions is not one or two, but the entire long list. From this list, we have brought for you 10 such myths and their facts, whose truth everyone wants to know. Fact number 10. Mask can protect against corona. No surgical mask is designed to block virus particles, but it can help prevent infected person from spreading the virus because it prevents respiratory droplets that are spread during breathing and sneezing. Fact number 9. Hand sanitizers are more effective than soap with hands to prevent the disease. Not only does the virus die while washing hands with soap, it also gets washed away, especially when you have dust on your hands. It is better to use soap instead of hand sanitizer. Fact number 8. Taking vitamin C prevents from corona. Vitamin C increases the immunity of our body and helps our immune system in killing the virus. But experts have not found any evidence that taking vitamin C does not make a person suffer from COVID-19 infection. The same applies to green tea and zinc. Fact number 7. Corona can be prevented with sanitizer prepared from giloy, turmeric and basil. According to the World Health Organization, alcohol-based sanitizers are effective in killing the coronavirus, while there is no confirmation about giloy, turmeric and basil. Fact number 6. Herbal tea can protect from corona. It is very true that tea contains methylxanthine, which reduces the effects of virus. But in the case of coronavirus, it has not been confirmed yet that it ends by drinking tea. Fact number 5. Eating non-vegetarian can cause corona. It is not yet confirmed that eating fish, chicken or egg can cause corona. However, our body gets protein from these things. Fact number 4. Pets can also spread corona. There is no confirmation yet that dogs and cats may also be infected with corona. However, we must wash our hands after touching our pets as our safety. Fact number 3. Garlic can be prevented from corona. These days, there are many such messages on WhatsApp in which it is claimed that the consumption of garlic can prevent coronavirus infection. But this is completely wrong. Garlic rich in antimicrobial properties is a healthy food, but there is no indication or evidence to prove that garlic can cure the coronavirus. Fact number 2. Pneumonia vaccine helps protect against coronavirus. No, this is also completely wrong. The WHO has also stated that pneumococcal vaccine for pneumonia does not provide protection against this is very new and dangerous coronavirus. This virus is so new that a separate and new vaccine is needed for it. Currently, researchers are also trying to make a new vaccine for the coronavirus. Fact number 1. Antibiotic can treat coronavirus. WHO believes that antibiotics do not work against viruses, and they only work against infections spread by bacteria. Therefore, antibiotics will not do any work in fighting this is very new and dangerous virus.